Welcome back to Programmers Academy, your go-to channel for all things coding and software development. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of programming languages. Whether you are a beginner looking to start your coding journey or a seasoned developer seeking to expand your skill set, we've got you covered. We've narrowed down the top 6 programming languages for software development that you should consider learning. Let's jump right in. Number 6 on our list is Python. Known for its simplicity and readability, Python is an excellent choice for beginners. It's widely used in web development, data science, and even artificial intelligence. With a large and supportive community, you'll find ample resources to help you master Python. At number 5, we have Ruby. Ruby is known for its elegant syntax and is often chosen for web development, especially with the Ruby on Rails framework. It's beginner-friendly and has a passionate community that values productivity and creativity. Coming in at number 4 is JavaScript. It's the language of the web, and if you want to build interactive and dynamic web applications, JavaScript is a must-learn. With Node.js, you can even use it on the server side for full-stack development. Our number 3 pick is Java. Java is the backbone of Android app development and is widely used in enterprise-level applications. Its write once, run anywhere capability makes it a versatile language, and it has a strong demand in the job market. In the runner-up position, we have CSharp. CSharp is a powerful language for building Windows applications, games with Unity, and cross-platform apps with Xamarin. It's known for its robustness and is an excellent choice if you're interested in Microsoft technologies. And finally, at the top of our list, it's no surprise, it's Java's cousin, Kotlin. Kotlin is a modern, concise language for Android app development. It's officially supported by Google, making it the go-to choice for building Android apps efficiently and safely. There you have it, our top 6 programming languages for software development. Remember, the best language for you depends on your goals and interests. So, pick one that resonates with you and start coding. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all our programming tutorials. Thanks for tuning into Programmers Academy, and happy coding!